start it. It's good.
So does King Killer still get?
Yeah, 28 is not playing.
He said championship kings are home, right?
Whatever you want, man. Whatever you want.
Every game he hits it. I swear he does.
Every time, Marquise.
Every game he hits that corner.
He's got a clip, don't he?
He's been killing this year.
He's got to kill today.
When are you gonna pick me for the start sheet?
I don't need you, man. You know I pick white shooters only. That's a joke. Actually, we really don't have any good shooters.
Yeah, man, they're fucking training.
I didn't really have a choice. Someone like it was dumb. I don't know what they know.
Most of you into giving me up. And I ended up on
Was that last year or this year?
And then look.
Oh, he playoff D
Who did I
today.
get?
That's playoff D.
I ended up on 18.
Oh, I got Thomas. That's what. I wanted Thomas, so I got Thomas.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's like, well,
Thomas wanted to play with me. I need you though, dude.
Shoot that T.
Yeah, he's doing good too.
Well, that's good.
Oh man.
Oh, there you go.
But for real, I tried to trade for you mid-season this
Try to
year.
get me again.
I did because we've been struggling scoring the ball, and like if I'm off, no one else can score. And I was like, give me JR.
Yeah, man, I was gonna work that system, man.
I know, dude. Yeah, you would have fit in well.
Shit, I'm a shooter.
I shot Dwight. I know, dude. I know. They're good.
At least the percentage. Hey, look, I might not always average 20, but I'm
Yeah, you're gonna shoot threes, man.
This would have been my fourth champion.
Inside out.
It's my turn.
Get it down low.
Well, now that Yeti's out of the way, shit, I don't know. Anything could happen now.
I think, well, that's next round for us. I think if we gotta play.
Yeah, you would have played Drama Boys, yeah.
We just worked on my 20 last.
I hope, yeah, I know.
I know. You got to lock down Darren Vaden. He's good.
He is good. He's such a good rebounder, man. He destroyed us.
At one point, Vaden and I were averaging like 25 boards between both of us.
I know you were. You guys are the two leading rebounders in the league.
Oh, he gave me problems that day. I
Yeah, Corey, that's good, man.
Oh, it won!
On 3, 2 shot. 20 foul on 22. Back here. They call back here. Well, it's like, oh, okay. Good job, Xavier.
Dwight's pretty good.
Who?
Dwight.
I think so, yeah. He'll probably win Rookie of the Year. He just does everything, you know. Oh, man. Nice try. 32. Janarius with the G, apparently. Who wrote that? TJ?
Why would you write that?
I think TJ wrote that.
He was.
Oh, Tay, jerseys under here.
Killers might pull it off now. I didn't hear that shit. All that shit you was talking
No, no one did until the second half. Yeah.
Hey, it's cool, bro. You win some, you lose some.
I know.
I heard 3 on the way out. That's all right. All right, you got a triple team.
Nice shot, TJ.
Boy, who the fuck you think you is, man?
Oh, hey, as soon as you're ready, though, he's got to come out. You got to go in.
All right, that's good.
My bad, guys.
Whenever the dead ball.
Nice shot, Marquise.
Good shot, Marquise.
Yeah, we have to wait for the red ball, obviously, but yeah, he's got to come out, unfortunately.
Oh, yeah.
And 1, babe. Oh, that's on Darian, number 1. Number 1. Yeah. If I know who it is, I'll just tell you.
What is this? 6 to 4?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I didn't think he was.
Taylor, what number are you?
Oh, him. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he's good. Sub. You good? Oh, good job, White. I said White. Black, yeah, black ball. God. I would. So we wrote jump, put CK for Champion Kings, and then since there was a jump ball, put birds. So now we know the next jump ball is going to be CK again. I didn't know too. Yeah,
Put 2.
I got it. Yeah, they kill us because they can just run. They're not the most talented team in the league, but they can just run. And look how short they are. We had me and a 6'8" guy, and we still got beat by them.
They were up like us.
Marquise, you got 3 fouls.
Oh. 2 team fouls, 3 personal.
They're just taking off. Yeah, that's like my favorite duel.
See ya, Jason. Hey, good season, man.
Bro, you're gonna have to draft with those.
You mean? Yeah. I didn't have to. I had Zach Ferris and Jeff Straub and me, and we scored 99 points in our first game.
Really?
Yeah, we beat Drama Boys by 27. 99 to 72. We won 2 games. We won that first game of the season, then we had the quarantine. We play all around with Ryan Poole. Yeah, they just beat us by like 20 last week. So, but we didn't have Dylan.
We won, but Poole gave you like 16 and 12.
Yeah, he hasn't been scoring because he hasn't really been trying to score. He's just been getting boards and passing. And it's kind of weird. But they're good. If they play together and they don't yell at each other, they're good. They're very good. That's 0. Yeah. Nice shot, Taylor.
Marquise, wipe your eyes, bro. I love Marquise. I just like this Marquise. Wow, you gotta shoot that.
He's not a shooter.
What?
He will though, but he's not a
shot.
Yeah, nice shot, man.
Good shot.
He admits though that he's not a shooter. Clearly he can do it though. That was nice. There's no rotation on the ball. Yeah, I'm 2.
Taylor, come on, man.
It's the same as the 2-3. Yeah, 3 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Keeps them from shooting 3s. Supposed to. A lot of corner 3s though.
Hey, we're just gonna have to mix it up on the season, bro.
I'm not being a captain again. I'm probably not even gonna play anymore. I'm gonna play baseball next year.
Why don't you play, bro? I got a good plan.
I'm terrible, dude.
I'll I'll get you and Nick Walden. That'd be fun.
He'd be good.
Oh my God, would that be nasty for you though?
I've wanted to try that at some point. We got you for the rebounds and the defense. We got Nick Walden for the attack in the rim and offensive rebounding. You got me to sit on the 3-point line.
Yeah, I think it would be good. Oh.
That's a reach. Another 3? What the hell is this? Nice pass, Anthony.
And one.
Nice pass. There we go. Keep playing hard.
Oh,
Short. Goodness gracious.
Marquise.
They're going to score 120 tonight. Fucking Jesus. They got 33 with 10 minutes left still. Yeah, they're literally on pace for 132 points. Number 3. Oh, Marquise is calling it though.
I should have waited till he put it down. Oh, don't leave yours. Never.
Turnover to White.
I know that was me. I had tried to get over there. Rebound.
Good shot, Corey. That's good, man. There you go, Janarius. Get up there. Yeah. Nice shot, Janarius. There we go. Who the hell's that guy over there in the black shirt? Who's this guy over there in the blue shorts and black shirt? If he's expecting to play, I don't know who the hell he is. He's not playing. Did you put points up just now? Yeah. Good job, TJ.
Got you right there.
Oh, good pass! Oh!
That's blue ball. Wolf.
I got you. Don't wait.
Good job, Corey. You guys are back in it.
I ain't gonna win. I don't get a call either.
Yeah, that was not a foul. Nice bucket, goodness. Nice shot, Dwight. Good bucket, man.
That's a foul. You can't push it.
Yeah, Birds do that a lot, man. Get across. Almost counting. Good. There we go, Janarius.
Hey, that's hanging down here. Everything that go wrong with this team, my fault, huh?
Down. Dwight, bad pass, Dwight. Oh, yeah.
Marquise!
That is so lazy when we get a big lead.
Yeah,
Marquise!
I know. relying too much on that shot. I know, dude.
Dude, you want me to ref? I'll start giving technicals.
Every foul's a tech.
I'm just waiting for our game when we have no refs.
Yep. Yep. Like I said, people get pissed. I'm glad T. Woods is staying. That was nice. Because
They kind of lost fair and square.
well, he knows that. He's not complaining about that. He's just mad that they lost because it was his team's fault. I mean, it wasn't. That's all he's saying. He's saying we took them for granted. You know, no one tried. Good job, Marquise. Good D, good D. Time out real quick. Go ahead and stop. You all right, buddy? Got a stinger?
My elbow got him somewhere like in a pinch point.
They struck the ball, but his contact happened after that.
Yeah, after he's yeah.
My elbow.
That's a foul.
Perry, you stick around. You might be playing again. We'll see.
They ain't gonna call no foul today.
Say what? No, I said, Jay ain't calling no foul on me. I said, this is boy, he starts smiling. White physical therapist?
I felt that on my elbow.
Timeout bird. Good.
No, that's actually official. Timeout.
Oh, official timeout.
That's just an official timeout. Yeah, I'm not calling that.
One of your top.
You guys ready?
One of your top draft.
Hey, whenever you're ready, Janarius. Is this? Hey, are they calling a timeout technically?
I went fourth round.
Don't. No, it's an official timeout. Don't charge them. Let's get going. Let's get going now. It's blue ball.
Starting the clock.
Hey Taylor, you had the ball down here, right? You had the ball. Blue ball going that way.
All right, start the clock.
Hey, what? Darian, did you guys score down here?
I put their points on.
Who did?
They got him.
Xavier hit a layup. I might have missed it because I was watching down here. My bad.
I got it, bro.
You got it. I didn't. I didn't get it. Xavier 2 points over here if I missed it. I do that so I can do stats. If I miss something, I try to tell the camera.
Crazy, dude.
I want to make sure it's accurate.
Rabbit stats.
Rabbit stats, baby.
Or decent.
Man.
Low Phil.
Nice shot, Daniel.
Stop that one.
Oh, travel. I do not know who that foul was on. You got it?
Definitely not gonna fall out here with big Janarius falling on top of him. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. I done got hurt 3 times. You don't even like you? Having to go to work like this every day? Hey guys.
Take a break, bro. That's why you gotta get to work.
You're up 20-second breather.
I wish I could. I wish I could. I could yell that, but my captain.
I don't think he get what you meant. He didn't get what you meant. Good hustle, TJ. Nice shot, Corey. I don't know, who the hell is that? Is that Hutch?
Yeah, that's what I said at first.
Who's that guy? Who's that guy in the black shirt and the blue shorts over there?
I think it's him to watch Chris play.
Okay.
48 got to
Oh.
Why does he do that? He don't believe it.
I know. Nice job, Darren. That's all right, man.
He don't trust me. Y'all gotta put some trust.
Good hustle, TJ. That's the most people we've had here in a long time. Why score do you have gym shoes? He's not playing.
It's the threes, bro.
Zero. Hey, a minute and a half left. A minute and a half.
We stopped.
No, not first half at all.
Come on, bud.
Not at all.
And I want to finish it. It's a good day.
The bill screwed me, man. I was gonna win $2,000.
If Dylan comes, I'll be furious.
No, he's gonna win. He's gonna be excited. They won the game. I picked against them in a parlay. And if the Rams would have won, I would have won $2,000 off of $150. Free money too. It was like one of those free bets. So I'm not really mad because it wasn't my money, but still, that's $2,000 I could have had. And it came down to the last fucking second.
How many miles is on your car out there?
130,000. It's been driven, man. It's been driven. And I drive it a lot, so. What the hell is that? They're only up 14. Just for that, you ain't winning Rookie of the Year. That's disrespectful there. Look at that. There we go. Come back. Oh shit. Nothing's happened.
Dude, I did it, bro.
You did it? 1/2, maybe?
How much time?
Just press oh, actually, yeah. Let's just do.
2 minutes.
Yeah, just do. We'll do 3. We got time. I'm gonna turn this off.
Second half. Champion Kings, Rice
Got
Burgers.
the ball, right?
Second half, baby. Let's get it.
Uh-oh, Janarius, he talking into the camera. Uh-oh.
TJ, you got some ball, big dog.
I guess, bro. Chris Rhodes. Go to warm up, bro.
Okay, drive, Taylor.
Bro, what are you guys doing after the game? You guys trying to... No, hey, come here. Who was that on? Who was that
Man.
James.
Hey.
Bro, hey, there's no CBD in
It's some Katie, bro.
Dude, shut up. You're stupid. That's what you guys do on State Street. Katie, motherfucker. You can't even park on your street, bro.
He said you can't even park. At least motherfuckers don't got jean shorts on. I'm doing good.
No, you're good, man. It's fine. You want your chair though? No, I don't sit down.
Hey, Terrell, who was that last foul on?
Yeah, we are in the playoffs now.
Oh,
That's a WNBA move.
I won.
They don't call that traveling. Oh yeah. Good job, Dwight. It's a close game. What the hell are they doing? Dwight's over here shooting left-handed three-pointers and shit. He shoots 50% from three. Nice pass. Yeah, oh, get a bucket. It's on two. No, he was up. He was up. Whenever someone hears that skin, though, they blow the whistle. That call is called a lot in this league. He made a free throw.
Oh!
Good job, Darian. There you go. Good bucket.
And one! Oh! And one!
Yeah, they're going to call that foul again, yeah.
24?
Yeah, 24 that time. You thought that one was a foul?
He was. King George going to get another championship. How do you feel about that?
It can be anybody now, shit. You were clearly the favorites.
Yeah. We came out like LSU. I'm just saying, bro.
Yep.
By some unranked team.
I know, dude.
LSU.
Drama's not that bad. Drama's not that bad.
If they're hitting threes like they were, they're good.
Bro,
But
they've been hot the last few weeks.
Our defense is not better than the show.
oh, absolutely, absolutely. Good job, Dwight. There we go.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! We in there! Oh!
He should have passed it behind the back.
Yeah, he should have. Yeah.
Come on, guys!
Good finish, Corey.
I never shoot short. Never. I never shoot short. Like, well, until our game, no one's going to have it.
I know.
Yeah, exactly. We're not going to have any. We'll play one rep for all we know.
I know Marcus is in there. He should stay. Somebody should stay. That's the best thing I can say.
Walden usually stays. Walden usually stays to help with something. Since he's the best ref in the league, you know, he might as well help ref. Oh, yeah. Oh, he said he was. He said he was going to stay one more game. Yeah, in the chat he did. Good shot, Tay. Uh-oh. It's an 8-point game with 13 minutes left.
58 to 50.
Yeah, single digits. Yeah, that's a foul. That's a foul. Yeah, 3. Foul on 3.
You guys knock it off. Clean basketball.
You alright, Darian?
He's
good, man?
faking, trying to get a call.
I took an elbow from my man.
Yeah, that was earlier, yeah.
That helped me, bro. I ain't gonna know I was there.
David.
You did. I posted the team stats for the regular season on the GTBA Facebook page. You should see the free throw percentages for every team. The team with the best free throw percentage is like 56%, and that's the best free throw percentage. The Birds shoot 30-something% from the free throw line as a team. I'd be fouling them every time, like that. I'd foul them every time. Timeout.
They get 2 timeouts, right?
Yeah, so they've already used one. Yeah, they're good.
Nobody wants to shoot the first pass. Nobody shoots off the first pass. Nobody. Why you do it? I don't do this shit. You done it.
I shoot up. As soon as I get the ball, I shoot. First pass, shit, that's when I hit my shots. That's why we get so many assists, because as soon as I get the ball.
I'm starting the clock because the attitude is poor.
Half court.
Let's go. I'm trying to watch all around play.
That's the last game.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Game till 9? That'll be the best game of the night, I think. Should be. We decide to play. No, not yet. He the last couple of weeks he's hit a ton of threes. I think he hit 6 or 7 threes last week, I know. I'd give that to Taylor. 6. Yeah, 6.
Corey.
Was it on Corey? Was it on Corey?
We'll have one ref.
Terrell.
Yeah, give it to Corey. 24? 24, yeah.
We'll have one ref, one person doing both of these.
Yeah, I know, dude. Yeah.
We get Calvin staying anyways, right?
Huh?
He said he's not staying. And did he make that? He made that? 61. I know, he can't hit free throws, man. Your whole team sucks at free throws. It's like 33% for the year as a team.
Hey, we don't shoot them though.
No, hey, you guys shoot free throws, believe me. You just miss them.
Hey. Hey. Let's go.
There you go, Xavier. Ooh, that's not yeah, he is.
He's so good if he just...
I know. Get across. Nice pass, TJ. Good job, TJ.
Kind of like good old Cal at Holy Cross. At Holy Cross. Joey Coons.
Nice job, Anthony. Timeout.
What'd you say?
Hey, good bucket, man. Good bucket.
Those Kevin Durant. Are they pumping? You guys gotta quit playing soft.
Who? Oh, I'm just letting them do what they want. This they team. This they team, man. I'm trying. I shoot a shot, I'm mad. I pass the ball.
Bro, you got a younger brother.
Older brother.
What's his name?
Chandler.
So wait, how old are you?
26.
So what, Chandler's what, 28?
Yeah.
Okay, because I knew you. Okay, so when he said your last name, he said with the Pike, I was like, alright, that has to be his real name. Is he still hooping?
Nah, he's doing finance.
Dude, he used to be, hey, I thought he was underrated. In school, he was good at Cathedral. I liked him at Cathedral.
When he got to Cathedral, he flexed out. He flexed out. Pike didn't really. I seen Coach Jerick last night, to be honest. I seen Coach Jerick. And he was over there apologizing about
I left Carver with the Chicago.
We blow the horn.
Advantage though. That's what you're supposed to do. Take
Hey, gray ball, half court, going that way. Gray ball, gray ball. Half court, half court.
Taylor, you gotta take over, man. You gotta take over, bro.
Got 10 minutes left, 10 minutes.
I can't believe you wore those. He's got a technical foul in this dude for reaching
Good job, TJ. Good hustle. Good job, Xavier.
Jump out there, he wants to shoot.
Step back. Nope, good D-Tay. Bravo. Yeah, that's 6. Oh, he's calling on 2-4. He said Corey. Hey, he called it back here, back here. Three-point. Oh, good job, Dwight.
Oh!
Good job,
Hey!
TJ. Good job, TJ. That's a great bucket. They're only down 5 now, too. Why are there so many close games? I don't like these close games. They're supposed to blow them out. Dave, can you guys just blow us out so we don't have any more of these close games? I'm sick of this.
I'm mad we lost to them.
To who? The Birds? Yeah, me too. They beat us. We had Dylan too, and they killed us. No. Yes. They're only down 2. It's a 2-point game now. Yeah. 8.5 minutes.
Hey, man.
Let's go!
Hey, I think it's bad karma because Dwight was shooting left-handed 3-pointers. That's on 3.
Come on, Marquise.
That's his little fadeaway there. Oh, good shot though.
What the fuck is going on? I didn't have my heart.
Yeah, he did.
No, that was that one, bro.
I think it was that one, but he had his hands up. I mean, his whole argument is invalid.
It's just a hard one.
I mean, he called what he saw. I never argue those out of bounds calls.
What the fuck? Oh, what is he doing? Taylor, what are you doing?
Oh my goodness. Hey, dump that off. Dump that off to Xavier next time. Yeah, dump that off. Just pulling that. 15. Is that on the floor?
Taylor. No, there's no I know. Come on, man. I'm here to motivate. Dylan, I'm here to all up in the ground. So I'm playing through commentate. Right here, bro.
Hey.
This is BTBA basketball. T-Woods knocked out of the first round. We're taking Theo first pick again. Come on, man. Skip Bayless and Shannon Sharp. How do you feel about that? Come on, B-Woods. I'm drafting for you next season. I'm playing.
Hey, who got some guns? Anybody got some guns?
What'd you say? Oh, fuck.
That's all right, man. Hey, you gotta shoot that. You gotta shoot that. Oh, he traveled. He traveled.
Oh!
He landed before he threw the ball. That's a travel. He can whine about anything, dude. Anything. It's 15.
Hey, can we stop with the crying, please?
I seen TJ shoot.
So what's up with him? It won!
Good D, good D.
That's nasty!
24. What? You run to the basket.
Corey!
Hey, Corey, you got 4. You got 4. He can literally whine about anything. That's good call. That's black ball. Black ball. Black ball.
Hey!
Black ball. It's your damn ball. Go down there and pass it in. Jesus Christ. Hey, you gotta handle him. It's their ball and he's whining about it. Ball in down there. Ball in down there.
Hey!
Start the clock. We're not dealing with this. No, I got it. We're good.
Bro, you're gonna get me in trouble.
No, that's not your fault.
I'm gonna clock officials here.
He wants to. It's their fucking ball and he's whining.
All the lower seasons winning today.
Get that!
Oh!
22. Going up. 2 shots.
When do I stop at 2 minutes?
2 minutes, yeah. Every dead ball, and, like if they make a shot, stop it and start it again when it gets inbounded, kind of like that. Especially if it's a close game like this, we have to do that.
Whoa.
I can switch you if you want.
Crazy, dog.
Just gotta give every team a chance. There's no shot clock yet. Oh, good foul, good foul. He was passing it.
Where do I do the shot clock on my phone?
No. I'll just call it out. I just look at the clock and count. And 1. 24.
That's 5.
That's 5, buddy. You get 6, but that's 5. I don't know what he's yelling at. Now he's whining that he got fouled. He is not hurt. Unless he rolled his ankle. I don't know what happened.
Nah, he got wrapped up by the neck.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, starting clock again. He's back up. I know, dude.
Quit cheating, Abbott.
You guys gotta win, man. Get your shit together. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, yeah, this is karma because he was fucking around the first half, shooting left-handed threes. What was he doing?
Come on, Dwight.
We're trying to cheat the rice boys.
We're trying to cheat him.
Yo, hey, the next game I'm not doing this. I'm watching my two.
I don't care. That's fine.
Yeah, he's missed 3
He cannot shoot. He shoots like 25% from the free throw line. I swear. His whole team is bad at free throws. They're a good team. They're just bad at free throws. These are long ass games. What time is it? It's already 8:06. Fuck.
I know, dude.
They're too close.
We had time to we should have done the half.
10 seconds. Go.
Hurry up.
There you go, Dwight. Oh, no, you're good. You're good.
Huh? I don't have it, bro. I don't have it, bro.
24. No, under a minute.
Who was that on?
24. I'll tell them.
What happened when you're done?
Top, yeah. 2, number 2. Dwight.
Those are like 60.
I got it, Tommy. 25. There's 2. 30-second shot clock. 25. 20. Well, time out.
Let's go!
Oh, no, you're good. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't trust you. Hey, what'd you call it? A foul?
What'd you call a foul?
Was that on Janarius?
I'm gonna stop walking.
On who?
What score?
24? That's 6.
I'll put you on my parlay. Come on, man.
Hey. Give it to Janarius. I don't want to deal with that.
God damn it, bro. What'd you say? Give it to Janarius.
No, yeah, you're good. Yeah, perfect.
You guys are killing me, bro.
No, it's dumb, I know.
Get back to let's go.
Oh! The jump ball? Birds! Hey! Birds ball!
That's his ball, ain't it?
We all got
I just caught the game. That was the game.
20 seconds, 20 seconds.
That was the game.
15. 2 points.
That was the game.
Oh, that's blue ball.
Get back. Y'all still in it. Get back. Here's a timeout, man.
Good pass. There we go. Oh, man. No shot clock. Shot clock's off. Foul. Not 24. Foul.
Hey.
2 shots.
Yeah, you can't foul.
Bro, I know I'm out, bro.
No, you got 5.
Hey. You start counting right now?
Yeah.
That's a foul, bro.
Yeah, you get 6 fouls. Yeah, we want the rest to call more fouls. No one really fouls out.
I found me on the right.
Hey, that's fine. Yeah, we got 2 refs that called jump ball. I know he called a foul. They called, yeah. I know. I didn't overturn it.
Hey, come on.
Don't give up. What is he doing? Good foul. 2 shots. Well, especially since they can't shoot free throws. If he makes both these, foul them, they're going to miss them both. Get a 3 here. Easy. That's what almost cost a Yeti almost won because of that too. Drama boys weren't hitting free throws. Man, these games are taking forever, man. We are way behind today.
Hey, if it's me, I'm going for game. I'm not
Right here.
Hey, that's why they still down. Everybody trying to be a fucking hero.
Yeah, ball's down there.
Come on!
Just line it up down here.
Let's not play friends basketball now.
Let's shoot.
Come on. No, none of the loose ball foul. None of the loose ball foul.
We don't. That's normal. That's the rule.
Any foul.
Hey! Alright, we're shutting the game down.
Hey, I'm trying to get to my game.
He's not going to hit him because he doesn't shoot free throws. He's a good shooter, but he's not going to hit him. I know, he's good. He's very good.
Did you know Rodney Holiday?
He's good too. I know the name from stats. Yep. Why do you Jack called it? Oh, good block. Good block. Don't blow the game.
They just shot 2 free throws off of a loose ball foul with hard ball. Then y'all don't call it a loose ball foul with me. Come on, man.
I think they call it
They call down there, yeah. They even threw the ball down there too.
Hey, you guys call timeout. Take the timeout.
Hey.
You got 10 seconds. Hey, you got 10 seconds. Come on.
That's bullshit. Y'all know that. Hey, for what is 3 seconds in the paint? They set there. They fucking set there. Y'all do that shit every fucking game.
This close to Tanner. Yeah, do it.
Like I told my team, when you facing somebody.
Hey, he's gonna get teed up if he doesn't shut his mouth.
Don't leave it to the ref.
Tell him to shut up.
He is gonna get teed up. You guys are gonna lose if he doesn't shut his mouth. 6 seconds.
Everybody sit down, get out of my way.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What happened? Somebody go get fucked. Hey, look, see what happened. They was up by 20. Oh, hold on. They was up by 20.
We came back and won.
They was at
They
20.
thought they was the Riceburgs. I see who it is, Corey Rice. They not the Riceburgs no more.